Some people don't realize the real power of the United States aircraft carriers. So let me put things into perspective for you. The United Kingdom, China, India, and Italy each have 2 aircraft carriers. Countries like Thailand, Russia, Spain, and France only have 1. Now, when we talk about size and power, most nations proudly showcase their largest carriers. China's Fujian is currently the biggest among them, measuring an impressive 316 meters. Russia's Admiral Kuznetsov follows close behind at 305 meters. These ships are considered the pride of their fleets. But then there's the United States. The U.S. doesn't have just 1 or 2 carriers. It has 11. And not just any carriers. These are next-level nuclear-powered giants that never need to refuel for 20 years. Yes, you heard that right. 2 entire decades of continuous operation without stopping for fuel. Every single American carrier is larger, more advanced, and more capable than any other carrier in the world. Even the worst U.S. carrier